it's JoElla, Milan, licensed esthetician. I did a video yesterday, and so this is actually part 2 on these products that I just love, the Rejuvel 3D Firm Collagen Eye Serum and the Brightening Serum. We talked about them yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, one of my friends came by, she's also an esthetician, and she has saggy skin and really, really deep lines around her mouth, very deep. And she doesn't smoke, but just very deep lines. And sagging, the usual sagging. So I did this on her. So I practice on it, because I know for me, we all have our issues, and some of the issues that these help, I don't have those issues. So I wanted to get really clear on someone that does have the issues and how it worked on their skin. So, I mean, it was amazing. And I am finding that even though these are not cumulative, I'm finding if you use them in the morning and the night, my skin keeps looking better and better. For example, last night, I put my products on in the morning. I worked 12 hours yesterday, ran around. Oh, I was exhausted last night. And when I looked in my car mirror, I looked so good. No wrinkles. I go like, oh my gosh. I mean, that's like sweating, working all day long, and not touching touching up anything. So, I feel good about, what I tell you. I use these products in my work. I sell them. These are not ones that I sponsor. I sell them, and I always test everything before I sell it and put my name on it, and I want to use them myself. I'm a firm believer in, if you don't see results, I don't want it, I don't like poo-poo products, that just smell good. I want something that works, so that's what we're doing. So anyway, here's what we did on my friend. As yesterday, I always put my Capture Youth water on first and massage it in really good, because that helps. And then we put on the eye serum, and you only use a little teeny amount. And you just put it on, and then you want to go, under the eyes and here and on the lid, but don't get it in your eye. You want to make sure you just get it all where you're wrinkled. Okay, so then we went ahead. The brightening serum also helps with brightening, firming, and toning, and lifting the face. So I put a little bit of this on, and then add a little bit of the eye serum, and we put it all over her face and neck. And then we watched for a while, and you could see a difference. Not like on TV where you see that puffiness and stuff go away like that. That's not what this is, because those products only last a couple hours. You could be out somewhere and all of a sudden, everything goes south. So that's not going to happen with this. So anyway, so we did that, and she looked good. So then what we did, I put some more of the eye product on, along with the brightening serum, and we really massaged it into these lip lines. I mean, hers are very, very deep. We massaged them in, and it softened them up unbelievably. They did not disappear. No, they did not. But they just really softened. And then we added a little bit more to her sagging area. She looked so good. And then after that, we went out and got a bite to eat at a pickup place, during the pandemic. So she kept saying, "Guy, my skin feels so smooth." She was so happy with it. And we kept, she was looking in the mirror. And when she left, she had no makeup on, just what I did to her. Her face looked so luminous. She looked amazing. And I texted her this morning, and, she said she looked so good she didn't wash her face last night. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. So for my customers that use the Rejuvel, you want the eye serum, 3D Firm eye serum, collagen eye serum, and add it in with this. Not only for your eyes. If you don't have problems, like I don't have those problems either, you know, with the wrinkles of the bags and deep lines. I do not have that, luckily. But this still makes me look better. It just looks smoother and more, even better than before, because I use my Viktoria eye serum, which made a huge difference. For, you know, I've used it 10 years, so, you know, my eyes are good from that. But this just takes it one step further. So for you ladies, which I know is a big deal with your wrinkles around the mouth, you want to massage the eye serum and the brightening serum in together, or the eye serum and the Rejuvel 3D, or you could put them all together. But you want to really massage it in, and that's it. Your skin will just look so nice, and then you could go ahead and put on your makeup or whatever you want to do for the day. And so easy. You know, as I said, we just keep it simple. We want to look beautiful, but we want to look like ourselves. We don't want to have to worry about a bunch of makeup. And I hope this inspires you, because it inspires me. It's exciting. I love to find things that work and then share them with my customers out there. So if you need me, please email me or send me, call me on my toll-free number. You know, I'm easy to reach. I get back to you. I love talking to you. I love helping you. And I want you guys all to look really good. Thank you. Bye.